ones, Connor? Those are cool.
Fuzzy posters.
Fuzzy poster.
Like the three.
It's a nappy blanket. It is. Nappy. It's cute. It is so cozy.
Can you give me that horse guy?
I'm working on him still. I'm sorry. Even just so he's got his things on still. I like you're starting to get these guys set up, huh?
I love the evil unicorn girl. She is cool.
Is she evil or is she good though?
Oh, he's saying evil. She's pretty dark.
Mine just open.
Whoa!
It's upside down. Okay, read it. Electronic dartboard.
I'm jealous. Was that from Santa? I wanted to get that for Jess and Shane next
From
time.
Santa.
Oh.
Why don't you check the tag?
From Mom and Dad.
That is cool.
Do you know what it is? It's like a game that you play. And you throw a dart.
Darts at it.
Yeah.
It's very hard though.
Yeah.
They have darts on the Wii.
3, 2.
I bet that's a lot of dangerous.
Ooh. Oh, sorry.
Anna's turn. No, open the big one.
The big one I think would be cool. I think it's a color. This is from all the Oceans and Blackburn. Coloring book. Aha! Very cool. Parachute. Is that what you called it? Very cool. Thank you.
Here's the workbook.
Oh, that is crazy.
No, you don't do it up and down, Derek. You do it side to side.
I don't think so.
That's what I did at Wyatt's house.
So what's that all about?
Tells you what you should be doing wrong.